guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this week's video. If you're new here, you are welcome. Thank you to my online friends who are always coming back to my channel and supporting me. Thank you. God bless you. Right, if you want to see how I managed to achieve these lovely flexi rod curls, you got to stay tuned, all right? Okay, my lovely friends, I'm coming to you with my hair freshly washed. I have actually trimmed 1.5 inches of my hair and I've put my hair through the Rev Air to stretch it. I'm just showing you my edges here. If you haven't been watching me, why not? Anyway, if you haven't been watching me, I will link a video up here because I'm actually going through a Grow Your Edges Back challenge. And I was just showing you a week in and how much my hair has actually grown back. Okay, so after I stretched my hair with the Rev Air, I've just put my hair in these 2 twists. They're flat twisted at the top and then twisted at the bottom, and then use the little rubber bands to fold my edges under. It's always important for me to find the right styles that are able to lock in that moisture and help me retain that all-important length. Now, I think to have a really good perm rod set is all about the preparation. As you can see, my hair is really well moistured and my ends have had a nice trim. So listen, this better not fail. It better not be an epic fail. So those of you who watch me often, you know that I use my own brand, which is 100% natural. And I love the products because they really hydrate and moisturize my hair strands. Can I just say, oh my goodness. Can we just stop there? Let's stop the video. Let's just have a twist out, shall we? Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, comment, no, just kidding. But we could really stop there, sis, couldn't we? Let's just take it in, okay? Now, detangling your hair really well before you do a flexi rod set or any roller set or perm rod set is imperative. So this is a step that must not be missed out. And it was at this moment I thought to myself, should I even bother doing the video? Because my hair looks so lovely. But anyway, I did the video, as you can see. Okay, so let me show you some of the tools I'm going to be using for this set. Also, all details will be left in the description bar for all of the products that I use in this video. Now this particular set comes with a rat tail comb, not bad for the price. I'm going to be using the orange one, which is a 2.2 centimeter rod. It does come in 3 particular sizes, 0.9 centimeters, 1.5 centimeters, and the orange ones is 2.2 centimeters, which is going to give me a really lovely corkscrew, a quite chunky one as well, which is what I'm looking for. Now for the mousse, I thought I would try a new brand. Let me know in the comments if you've heard of Texture My Way before. It's a new brand to me. This is the Keep It Curly Shea Butter and Olive Oil Mousse. It's going to really give me a lot of shine. And I'm hoping that it's going to understand the assignment and give me that really nice shine and set that my hair needs in these perm rods. First, I'm going to start off by sectioning off the different areas. I want to have a fringe because it's going to be corkscrew curls, so you know it's going to really spring up. So I'm just going to section off the front area. Can't call it a fringe anymore because it's completely grown out. Okay, so I'm making sure that my hair is completely detangled so that when I use the perm rods, it's going to go on really smooth. And now I just want to show you the lovely shine that I'm getting from my Amaré-Me products, with right from the shampoo and the conditioner, the deep conditioner, and then of course the moisture and hydration from the leave-in conditioner and sealing it in with the Mel's Butter Me Up. Now none of the products are very heavy on my hair. As you can see, it hasn't weighed it down. It's just hydrated my hair and made it look lovely and very, you know, gorgeous. Okay, so once I've got my sections, I can now begin. So I'm probably going to be taking about 2 to 3 pumps. Actually, I end up putting a lot more on. But at first, I only put about 2 or 3 pumps. Yeah, I'm very excited about it, as you can see. So it's important for me to get that really nice, slick texture in my hair. So basically, my main aim is just to make sure that this perm rod set, my hair is completely bone straight, so that when I wrap it round the perm rod, I won't have any kinks or frizziness that will occur. Come on, Mel, you can do it. Now, another really key step to having a great perm rod set is to make sure your ends are completely straight and smoothened around the edge. Now, I've got to do this while I'm keeping my hair strands really taut so that it all, look at the shine going around that. That just shows you how tight I'm pulling it. So let's go through this one more time. I'm just getting about 2 or 3 pumps and I'm rubbing that in the whole of the hair. Remember, mousse dries really quick, so it's important to put the amount that you want on there so it won't actually revert your hair. And then make sure it's distributed well along the strands and detangled, and then get that perm rod on as soon as possible, girl. Just a little tip for those naturals out there who've got the fine strands like myself. I found it a really good way of securing the perm rod in was by doing this kind of motion. Twisting my hair around the rod really helps secure it in place. Other than that, they would literally falling out. However, it doesn't give you that corkscrewed look. It really does change the shape of your curl. You'll see later on, but it's a really good tip of securing in that rod. Yeah, happy days. So these perm rod sets have been finally installed and I'm so happy because my muscles are aching me. Managed to get a good number of them in. That's 28 of them I've got in there, and I decided to just wrap that up with my satin scarf and bonnet and sleep overnight with them. My goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh, I'm excited, but they're very different. Anyway, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Oh, they're good, they're good. Oh, I love these. I love them. I'm thinking that this hairstyle is going to have to be a staple because here I am taking lovely compliments from my husband who thinks my hair looks absolutely gorgeous and wondered if it was my real hair. Yeah, I seem to have gone all girly and look, I can't believe it. He really loves it, eh? Okay, because I want a really nice voluminous perm rod set finish, I'm going to separate each of the curls, well most of them, where you naturally want to form separation, and then I'm going to twirl it around my fingers just to encourage the curl to spring back again. Now all that's left to do is to create more volume, is to pick the roots and making sure that I'm not disturbing my curls, because girl, the more I keep picking these fine strands, they will get very frizzy. We don't want that, okay? Okay, that's it. This is my perm rod set. Finally, I have managed to do a decent perm rod set. Like, the curls came out amazing. Look at them. The end's still curling. I love it. It came out really, really beautiful. Better than I expected. Obviously, I don't have a shape. I just trimmed my hair last week. Girl, I think this is my new thing. Love it. I love it. Oh my goodness, I'm so hot. I think my hair's gonna revert back. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you think I pulled it off, let me know in the comments. or if I could have any tips on how to make this flexi rod set even better. I mean, how I twist it and roll it would be, I need some tips on that, girls. Let me know in the comments. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this kind of content. Woo. And I will see you again in my next one. You take care and God bless you. Mwah. Bye.